Welcome back, Pace Immigration, joined by Pace Immigration lawyer Andy Semichuk. Andy, great to see you.
Great to see you, Sean. Let's get into this.
Okay, so we're going to talk about the 7 ways that you can get a green card. You've got quite the list here, but we're going to get through them briefly for each of them. And the first one involves the family class, part of which is you can marry your way in. Tell us about this.
Right. So, well, you mentioned marry. Let's say a Canadian wants to marry an American. The American can sponsor the Canadian once they get married to come to the United States. Also, anybody in the family, nuclear family, so parents, children, can sponsor their siblings or people in the nuclear family into the United States. The marriage one is quick. The other one is longer term, but you get green cards.
Okay, moving on. Invest your way in with the EB-5.
Yeah, the EB-5 program right at the moment offers investors the chance to get into the United States by investing $500,000 in their own company and hiring 10 workers. So it's an excellent opportunity right at the moment. It may conclude in, let's say, a few months, but right at the moment, it's a great way to get into the United States.
Excellent. And coming up, transfer your way in.
Yeah, I think Toyota internationally in Tokyo is sending a manager to Toyota in New York. That's an intercorporate transfer, and that can result in a green card.
Excellent. Number 4, study your way in.
Right. So you start by getting enrolled in a college in the United States. After you finish with a bachelor's or master's degree or whatever, you get 1-year work permit called OPT, optional practical training. Then you go to a H-1B visa with the employer, who then sponsors you through labor certification to get a green card.
Excellent. Coming up, number 5, work your way in.
Right. In this case, we're talking about the EB-2 green card. In this scenario, it's if you're an extraordinary worker of some sort, either in business or in culture or entertainment, you can get a green card sponsoring yourself, provided you show that the work you're going to be doing in the United States is in the national interest.
Okay, it's interesting you said national there, because we're moving on to number 6, achieve. And this is, I think, because you've got international fame and recognition, yes?
Yes, that's right. So someone like Drake or Ryan Reynolds can get into the United States because they are internationally recognized. Usually it involves winning an internationally recognized award, for example, an Academy Award or a Grammy or something of this nature.
Excellent. And finally, we're moving on. Number 7, the lottery. What's this about?
There's a diversity green card lottery. It's for those countries or nationals from those countries that don't regularly and often send people to the United States, countries like, let's say, Estonia or Fiji or Ukraine, where every year up to 55,000 applicants are given the opportunity to apply for a green card.
Excellent. And Andy, you can be contacted at asemichuk@pacelawfirm.com, as well as find him on Twitter at asemichuk. Andy, anybody with green card problems, they can contact you for help, right?
Yes.
Excellent stuff. Great to see you, Andy. We'll catch you next time.
Thanks, Sean. Bye now.